I'm so excited to share with you guys. I finally upgraded my adult breeder geckos from 12 quart to 28 quart tubs. I was able to add a lot more enrichment for them and some more hides. I'm still adding some hides as I go to some of the tubs, but the substrate has definitely been a big hit. They've been digging around like crazy. It's been messing up their water dishes. I've had to clean those out a lot more frequently, but I think that's worth it. The only downside so far is that I've been having to leave this little fan on 24/7 to keep the humidity down. It was all the way up at 80% when I first made the switch. I've now gotten it down to 60%, which is in the safe range for them, but it's still on the high side. So I'm still looking for a more effective and sustainable solution than leaving the fan pointing at them 24/7. But besides that, they've definitely been using all the new enrichment, and I'm just going to keep trying to improve it as I go.